The modern-day business world is fast-paced, defined by constant technological advancements, changes in consumer behavior, shifts in market conditions, and the emergence of new players in the market. Companies can no longer waste weeks or months analyzing data or building applications. They need automated processes, data-driven reports, and customized applications within a blink of an eye. This is where Microsoft's Power Platform comes in. Microsoft Power Platform is a collection of business analytics and automation tools, including Power BI, PowerApps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. These tools enable organizations to analyze data, build custom business applications, automate processes, and create chatbots without complex coding. Power Platform is popular across multiple industries and businesses as it helps simplify processes and increase revenue. It can also help companies build chatbots and other digital assistants that can automate customer service tasks and improve the customer experience. The possibilities are endless. Here at AlphaBOLD, we are early adopters of the Power Platform and have delivered successful projects across a broad range of business problems and for customers of all sizes. With AlphaBOLD as your technology partner, you can leverage the Power Platform to achieve improved productivity, increased profitability, improved collaboration, increased market readiness, and much more. Connect with us today to get started on your Power Platform journey.